everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use Excel. Simply I can say overview about Excel. Don't skip the video to understand more better. Please share to others if it is useful. Let's get started. First, I'll show you whatever we have buttons or icons in this window, and after I'll explain what it does really. First, this is the office button. When we click on that, we have new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, like that. If you want to exit from this window, you can click on this exit Excel. You can exit direct from this window. See guys, now we need one Excel sheet. For that we need to go through the new button. When we click on that, we will get one blank workbook like this. And then when we click on the create, we will get new Excel sheet. Or else, if you have already one Excel sheet in your computer, if you need to open it, you will go through the open. And we have one shortcut for the open is Ctrl plus O. After that, coming to save, we have save button here, and here also we have one shortcut for the save, that is Ctrl plus S. And coming to window is used to remove that whatever we done before this window. Like see here, we have one example like this, and I changed with some other letters, but I don't want changes now. I need older ones, so I am going with Udo. This is the Udo. This is the symbol of Udo. After that, I need whatever I changed after, so I will go with Redo. Redo. This is the Redo symbol. And hope you all know about cut, copy, paste. I will give you shortcuts for the cut, copy, paste. Shortcut for the cut is Ctrl plus X. Shortcut for the copy is Ctrl plus C. Shortcut for the paste is Ctrl plus V. Here we have one icon to insert worksheets. We have shortcut also to insert the worksheets, that is Shift plus F11. By clicking this icon, we'll get the new worksheets. And this is the default name of worksheet, that is book. See here, we'll get the default name of this worksheet as book. And these all are the colors to highlight the columns, rows and cells. These all are used in upcoming videos, and we will discuss in upcoming videos. Now I will show you one simple example for how to create the Excel sheet and tables. Here I am taking as example whatever I used in the first video. For the creating table, first we need to clear this all data. I was taken one team and their salaries. For that team I was named as a crazy team. So now take it as a crazy team. Type here. And see guys, it is not okay to see. So we need to merge these cells. So select these cells and click on the merge and center button. Then we will get the name into the center on the table. Now it's time to create one table, because we need table to enter the employee details and salaries. For that I am taking 4 columns and 11 rows. For entering 10 employee details, see guys, drag up to 4 columns and 11 rows. Click here and click on the all borders. Then we will get the table and form all borders. And enter here serial number, and for go to next cell, click on the right arrow in the keyboard and enter the name, and again click on the right arrow and type here employee ID. See here guys, we are getting like this. So we need to adjust this column. By scrolling this column, we will get adjustable. After that, we need to type here salary. Coming to here, now we need to enter the serial numbers. It is a small table, right? By typing manually, we can enter serial numbers easily. But if you have more than 1000, it is difficult, right? So that I'll tell you one simple trick. Type 1 and 2 and select those two and drag up to end. See, now we'll get right and enter here names as ABC and employee IDs and salaries. Okay guys, this is enough for today. We'll see in the next video. Keep watching, don't miss it. Thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe and share to everyone if it is needful.